Are you peeling away the best part of your vegetables? Let's uncover the truth about why you might want to think twice before reaching for that peeler. First up, potatoes. Did you know that potato skins are packed with fiber, vitamin C, and potassium? By leaving the skin on, you're not only adding texture but also boosting the nutrient content of your dishes. From mashed to roasted, embrace the skin for a healthier meal. Next, let's talk about carrots. Those thin, tender skins, they're full of extra fiber and antioxidants like beta-carotene. No need to peel, just give them a good wash and enjoy the added nutritional benefits. Moving on to cucumbers. Edible skins bursting with fiber, vitamin K, and antioxidants. Whether in salads or sandwiches, keeping the skin on adds both texture and color. Remember, if it's waxed, give it a thorough wash or peel it off. Zucchini and summer squash lovers, rejoice! Their soft skins are not only edible but also rich in fiber and vitamins A and C. Slice them up for grilling or stir-fries and savor the added nutrients. Now, let's talk about eggplant. Edible skins boasting fiber and antioxidants. Whether grilled in ratatouille or eggplant parmesan, keeping the skin on enhances both texture and flavor. Ah, beets! Those thin, tender skins are a treasure trove of fiber, vitamins, and minerals like folate and manganese. No need to peel, just scrub them well before cooking to unlock their full nutritional potential. Sweet potatoes, with their nutritious skins packed with fiber, vitamin A, and antioxidants. Roast or bake them with the skin on to preserve their nutrients and add a flavorful twist to your dishes. Lastly, radishes. Edible skins providing fiber and antioxidants. Add a peppery crunch to salads and other dishes while reaping the nutritional rewards. Remember, a good wash is key before digging in. So, next time you're in the kitchen, think twice before peeling away those nutrient-packed skins. Embrace the full potential of your vegetables for a healthier, more flavorful meal. Happy cooking! So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and join the HealthyTube family today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who love healthy eating as much as you do. Together, we'll explore the wonderful world of nutritious cooking and make every meal a celebration of health and flavor. Happy cooking, and I'll see you in the next video.